Hey, let's write some HTML code. In the upcoming lessons, we're going to be going through a series of questions, and this lesson is going to be preparing you for writing those questions and also introduce you to the tools that I'm going to be using in order to present HTML code to you. So first of all, you are going to need an editor to write HTML code. The editor that I'm going to be using in this course is the Visual Studio Code. So this is a Microsoft product. It's an open source editor. You can select your platform, your package. So whether you're using Mac, Windows, or Linux, there's a version of Visual Studio Code. And of course, you can use any editor that you want in order to write HTML code. The other resource that we're going to be using, and that's going to be to run the HTML code. So this is going to be the Chrome browser. Of course, you can run any HTML code in any of the browsers. I am going to be using Chrome in order to demonstrate the HTML code. And the last but not least is our resource where we're going to be using reference to the Mozilla Developer Network. So this is an excellent resource that has a lot of HTML documentation. So you can go through here, and we're also going to be citing content from the Mozilla Developer Network as we present answers to the questions that are coming up. So let's open up the editor. So I'm going to go ahead and specify the doc type as HTML and set up a basic HTML structure. So setting up the HTML code, and then within the HTML, we're going to have a body tag. And then within the body, I'm going to demonstrate the HTML, provide answers to the upcoming question. So you can as well set up your own editor. You can use any editor as you want. So let's add some content into the body. I'm just going to type out hello world into the body, so that we do have some content, and we're going to be ready. And next, let's open up the HTML file into the browser. With Visual Studio Code, you can simply drag it and drop it into an open browser, and that's going to automatically open up the file. And notice that it's using the file protocol, so it's up at the top. So that's where my file, the index.html, is located on my computer, and that's visible here at the top left-hand side within the web URL. So the format of the upcoming lessons is that I'm going to be providing you a question related to HTML, give you an opportunity to review the question, and then I'm going to be providing you the solution with an answer and some feedback as to why that answer was the correct answer for the HTML. So that's all coming up in the upcoming lessons. Let's get started.